Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Before we continue to my video, please click like, subscribe and share. And feel free to leave a comment below. For today's recipe guys, I'm gonna cook pasta sauce fried fettuccine. So let's go check out the ingredients. Sixteen pieces meatball, 500 gram meat beef that I already marinate with black sauce, cayenne, parrin and pepper for 1 hour. $350 gram pasta sauce and mushroom, 20 gram cabbage shred coarsely, 5 tablespoons chili sauce, spring onion, 1 capsicum cut into diamond, 1 carrot cut it round, 1 white onion sliced thinly, 500 gram fettuccine. Before that, I marinate the beef with the black sauce, cayenne, parrin and pepper for 1 hour. We boil water, add in salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. After boil, we put in the fettuccine, cook about 2 minutes. Once it's already cooked, we strain and rinse and leave aside. Pour 3 tablespoons of oil in hot pan. Add in onion. Saute until fragrance. Add in the meat that we already marinate. Cook about 3 minutes in medium flame or until the meat is soft. After 3 minutes later, we put in the bowl, mix it, we put the bolognese and mushroom pasta sauce, chili sauce, and add in little bit of water. We add in the capsicum, mix it little bit. Add in cabbage. Add in the carrot. And don't forget to add in the salt. Then lastly, we add in fettuccine. We mix it well. We cook it about 1 or 2 minutes, then we can turn off the flame. Well, lastly, we serve with spring onions. And it's done. Okay guys, that is my recipe for today. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it to try it at home. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. Thank you.